Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Twilio SendGrid for email in Node.js, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Twilio SendGrid for email in your Node.js application, first, you'll need to create a SendGrid account. Visit the SendGrid website and sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. Once your account is created, log in to the SendGrid dashboard. Next, navigate to the API keys section in your account settings. Click on Create API Key to generate a new key for your application. Give your API key a name and set the permissions to full access. Click on Create in View to generate your API key, and make sure to copy it somewhere safe. Now that you have your API key, open your Node.js project in your code editor. If you haven't already, initialize your project with npm by running the command npm init in your terminal. Next, you need to install the SendGrid library. Run the command npm install at sendgrid/mail in your terminal to add the SendGrid package to your project. Once the installation is complete, open your main JavaScript file. At the top of the file, import the SendGrid library by adding const sgmail equals require at sendgrid/mail. Now, set your API key by adding sgmail.setAPI your _API key, replacing your _API key with the key you copied earlier. Next, create a function to send emails. Define the function using async function sendEmail. Inside this function, create an email object with your desired parameters, such as to, from, subject, and text. For instance, you might use const message equals to recipient@example.com, from sender@example.com, subject, test email, text, hello from SendGrid. After defining your email object, use try and catch to handle any potential errors. Send the email with await sgmail.send message inside the try block. If the email is sent successfully, log a success message to the console. In the catch block, log any errors to the console for debugging. Finally, call the sendEmail function to execute the email sending process. Run your Node.js application in the terminal with Node.js to test it out. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a success message and receive your email in the inbox of the recipient. Congratulations, you have now integrated Twilio SendGrid for email into your Node.js project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.